Hey everyone, this is Kevin Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time here with me on our media channel today. And today we are going to unbox not a Blu-ray, not a 4K, but a DVD, Dexter's Laboratory, the complete series. And by the way, I can already tell you that I love the way that they did the eyes with this slip cover. Very creative, all that jazz. So this is the entire series minus 2 episodes. Some episode about Monkey and the root removal episode, which is the infamous swearing episode. Those 2 episodes are not on here, but otherwise everything else is intact. I think that they shouldn't call it the complete series, but whatever. Let's take a look at this. So it has like this design of, Dexter and, like I said, again, the eyes, really clever. But you take it off and underneath it shows Dee Dee, of course, thwarting Dexter's plan. And by the way, I just had this random thought. Do you think the show ever ended up becoming a problem for Cartoon Network when Dexter, the Showtime series, became a popular thing? And did Cartoon Network ever have to explain to parents, no, this isn't that Dexter. This was long before then. I don't know. So you look at the back and you see various screenshots of the Dexter series. As you can hear, a couple of the discs have fallen out. So let's open it and get those back in place, because if you're a DVD person like I am, you hate hearing that the discs have fallen out. But they're selling more and more of these online, so what are you going to do? So let's open this and oh, this is kind of nice. They have an episode guide. See, this should be required for every single complete series or even season releases. Tell people where they can find the episodes that they want. Unfortunately, there's really nowhere to put it, so that's kind of weird. And it looks like all the discs are separate colors. I would probably had preferred if they had colored the discs by season and not individually, trying to find that loose disc that fell out. But yeah, in all fairness, the discs do look nice. Something tells me the loose disc is near the end of this set. And oh, there they are. And gosh, that's frustrating. That's extremely frustrating. They're probably fine, if I'm being honest. They're probably fine, but like, I hate it when they fall out. Can this even be put back in? I don't even know if this can be put back in. Okay, I heard a click. Oh, and the whole thing just... Well, that's disappointing. That is disappointing. Is there a way to put it back in there? I don't think so. I think this just completely fell out. That is... Oof, that's disappointing. Well, let's see. Maybe we can... This one... Okay, so that does kind of fit in there. What about... One of the things that's a problem with these sets is that it's sometimes hard to figure out. Alright, we'll put this in the back because... Okay, look, at the end of the day, it's the whole set. That is a little disappointing. But hey, they're not DVD-Rs. At least they're regular DVDs, unlike some of these other complete sets that have come out. So anyway, that's Dexter's Laboratory, the complete series. Except for the way that the discs are held and obviously fell apart while I was opening them. I like the design of this, like the eyes. I mean, this is kind of cool on a shelf. So yeah, and it serves as a good little backup for whenever Max eventually removes it from their streaming platform. So I would like to know, do any of you have this? Have you had issues with opening it? I'd love to know. Comment below. Like, favorite, share, subscribe, and I'll see you at the movies. Take care.